afternoon, children. Let us we will start today's work, that is a stippling. Okay, for that we need a drawing book, scale, black gel pen, pencil, black sketch pen and a eraser. You have to take all these things and open a new page. Start to draw 3 centimeter box and a border and keep ready for today's work. Okay, children. After borderline and box, our sheet will looks like this. Now what you have to do, you have to keep your sheet in a vertical way and take out your pen, write down today's date here, 12/8/2020, and write down your stippling work. Write down the topic, stippling work. Okay, children. Now first I will do the drawing in a very light line. You have to see that, then I will tell what you have to do. Okay. Lightly I am doing, children. First just you have to observe. After the drawing over, now I will start to do the stippling outline. Like this, in a dot I am doing the outline. Just see, children, this one. You should also do like this only, the outline. After doing the black outline, the stippling work, we should take a black color sketch pen and first we will do the border. Complete the border, we should take a eraser and start to rub all the pencil lines. After erasing that, we will start to do the work. Okay, children. After erasing, our work will looks like this. Now I will start to do the stippling work here. Here we are doing very thick stippling work. Okay, one part I will show. You have to observe that when I will complete this much portion, that time you know how you have to do that. Okay, that time you have to complete that portion. Okay, children. You should do like this. Too near. Should be thick. See the tones, children. Here I did dark, here little light will be there, and again here dark will be there. You have to observe that and you have to do like this. Okay, children. See this portion. Here dark will be there. Here little light tone will be there. You have to show the tones in the stippling only. Okay. See children, how to do the light tone. To do the light tone, we are doing the dots little far. Once when we complete the light tone, here this portion we should do the dark tone. That time again we are doing the dots to near. See children, when we will complete our work, it will looks like this. Okay, you have to see this. Once you have to observe the picture where you should do the dark tone and where you should do the light tone. To do the light tone, you have to do the, see here, I will draw here. You should not do this one. Only for your reference, I am doing here. 2 box I will do. Here I am showing the light tone. Light tone means we are doing dot here like this for this is an light tone. To do the dark tone, we are doing the dots too near. You should use only the gel pen. Okay, black gel pen. No one is doing this work with the sketch pen. All these days you learn how to do the stippling work with the sketch pen. Okay, this year you have to do the stippling work with the pen, it seems, children. See children, this is a dark tone and this is a light tone. Okay, same like that you have to do here also. See here somewhere the light tone will be there. Here also light tone is there. Here also, and see here this portion here and here. You have to observe the picture properly. Then you have to complete the work. Once when you will complete the work, please send to my number. Okay children, thank you.